whatever you need.
Seeking a story, I'll give you a read. Allow us to guide you to where you want to go.
Welcome one and all to our traveling show! Thanks for joining us. The name is Doc Gamble, and for legal reasons, I am required to let you know that I have no formal medical training.
And I'm Zaya, here to spin tales of destiny.
To inspire you to where you want to go.
Or to where you are meant to be.
Because no one wants to be the fella in life with no direction.
Or stuck behind him. He clogs up the cosmic path. So we're here to nudge you forward.
With uplifting stories.
Encouraging predictions.
And magical potions like Gamble's Miracle Elixir. Do you ever feel like life is one big test you wish you had the answers to? Does your thinking cap not quite fit? Do you wish your everyday pants were your smarty pants? Yes, I know you do. Well, I have the solution right here. With Gamble's Miracle Elixir, now with a Know It Now effect. One whiff of this and you will ace any test that life sends your way, my friend. What is your name, my friend? Wes, would you like to join me? Everyone give Wes a round of applause. Here, Wes. We're going to put you to the test, Wes. Wes, I need you to take one little whiff. Yes. Okay, one whiff, Wes. Wes is taking a big whiff because he wants to win trivia tonight, I think, everyone. Wes is coming for all of you. Be careful. All right, are you ready for your test? Here we go. Pop quiz time. The opposite of up is down. Oh, my goodness. It's going to get harder. Here we go. The opposite of left is... Oh, my goodness. Wes, it's happening. All right, final one. Here we go. It's the hardest one. The opposite of stop is... Oh, my goodness, Wes! Oh, my goodness. We got a genius here, and it's all thanks to Gamble's Miracle Elixir. Let's go take a seat. Give him a round of applause, everyone. And just take your bow, Wes. You know the drill. Good work, my friend.
Now, step aside, Gamble. It's fate's turn. They say that with destiny as your guide, all the answers you seek are inside you. Fate already knows the answer, so I ask you, what are you destined to have for breakfast in the morning? Yes, indeed! It's fate!
Zaya, did you know that?
I did!
She's incredible, everyone. Well, friends, I think you have all proven yourselves worthy of a story. A story of fate, destiny, and magic.
Yes, as with all good stories, our story was written long ago, and it is a legend of the gods.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a great
Not those gods. That's later in the cruise.
But they liked it.
This is a legend of the Norse gods of Asgard.
Okay, Zaya, get back over here. This is a family show. What did you just say?
Asgard.
Okay, watch it. Watch it.
This is the legend of Loki, the throneless god of mischief.
All right, everyone, it is pop quiz time. We're putting my Know It Now elixir to the test. Here we go. Question number one. Now, who is the king of Asgard? The All-Father. Here's your hint. He has the eye patch. Shout it out.
Yes, Odin, the king of Asgard.
Much better, much better. All right, question number two. Now, who is Odin's eldest child? His firstborn who joins him in battle. Here's your hint. She has all the horns. Who knows her name? Hela.
Yes, Hela, goddess of death.
Death! These Norse gods, they are not messing around. All right, this next one should be a freebie for everyone. Now, who is Odin's most popular, most powerful, not to mention his most favorite son? He is mighty, he is worthy. Thursday is named after him. Say it all together. What's his name?
It's Thor, the god of thunder.
I liked our sound effects. And last but certainly not least, now who is Odin's second-born son? The mischievous shapeshifter, the trickster destined to lose. You know his name. It's Loki.
Yes, Loki, the god of mischief.
Now everyone, give yourselves a round of applause for very smart people. That smart one, Zaya.
We really do. And our tale follows Loki, the trickster, the purveyor of magic, the would-be king.
Now Odin raised Loki alongside Thor, but back then there was no such thing as gentle parenting. It went something like this. Loki, why aren't you as strong as your brother? Loki, why aren't you as smart as your brother? Loki, why aren't you as handsome as your brother? Oh, I'm Loki and you can really tight. Yeah, I'll be done. Go ahead.
Clearly, there was enough family drama for millennia of Sunday night dinners. One day, King Odin realized it was time for a new king of Asgard.
Oh, let's do it. In this corner, he is mighty. He is worthy. He is the god of thunder himself. Thor, stand on up, Thor. Oh my goodness, Thor is right here, everyone. Right this way, Thor. Hold your hammer up with pride and let's walk. Give it up for Thor, everyone. And in this corner, he is mischievous. He is cunning. It is the god of mischief himself, Loki! This way. Now, with the throne as their prize, it was time for the brothers to fight to the death!
No, we cannot do that.
Why can't we do that?
Remember what happened last
We
time?
cannot do that!
But all of you good people of Asgard, you can vote on who you wish to be king. Although...
Okay, whoa. Now, that's very diplomatic, though it's not very accurate, but you know what? Both brothers, they were destined to be a king, so let's vote, everyone. Let's do it.
all those in favor of the wiser choice of King Thor, shout huzzah!
Alright, but all those in favor of the god of mischief himself, Loki, shout huzzah! Yeah! We're gonna get it. Zaya?
Yeah, clearly you all have not read the book of stories the way I have.
Oh.
For it is Thor, not Loki, who is destined to be king.
Loki, we'll get him next time. Give a round of applause for Loki! And keep it going for the new king of Asgard, Thor! Hip hip! Hip hip! One more, hip hip! Hey! Give it up for Thor, everyone! Thank you, Kevin. Thor, your hair looks shorter in person, I'll be honest.
Yes, with Thor on the throne, Loki's fate was sealed. He was cast out of Asgard, never to be heard from again.
Okay, Zaya, are you sure that's how it actually went down?
Close enough.
Alrighty then. The end! Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you, Loki. We'll get him next time. Thor, thank you very much. That was... Zaya, what are you doing?
I'm not doing anything.
What are you doing?
It's not
Why are you turning green? I'm off.
I am Loki of Asgard, and I come with a grievance against you. The Guardians, I couldn't help but overhear your little story, and I am troubled. Troubled that after all the time I spent in your realm, you still get my story wrong. Oh! Do stay,
Zaya,
storyteller.
you get back out here right now.
This should be particularly uniting for you.
We are all ears, Loki.
Oh, don't worry. I don't threaten. I'm a benevolent god. I'm simply here to tell my truth. Where is here? Midgard, without doubt, but this is unlike any city I've visited before. You there, tell me, what type of place is this? A little craft. Fascinating. And with whom do you travel? Your family. Ah, family. Oh, would anyone like to hear a bit about my family?
Yes.
Well, first, there's my father, Odin. Now, he clearly favored my brother Thor despite reassurance of love for both his sons. What lies? Let's dispose of him, shall we?
Well, dispose of him? What are you going to do? Loki?
Oh, Loki, yes.
What's happening?
Beg your pardon. As a whole, you all must rather inform me. You, tell me what's your purpose here?
Vacation.
It is fun, did you say? Is anyone here to cause a mischief?
Yes.
Well, I'm also here to cause some mischief, but you know who is took it a bit too far in my family? My dear sister, Helen. You know, she too felt entitled to the throne, but I wasn't about to let some long-lost sister rule Asgard, my home. How could I let the people of Asgard, my people, suffer under her tyrannical hand?
No.
No. She has to go.
Yes. Yes. Loki,
She
do
was
it.
really
It is fit for a king. You. Does this vessel have a name? What is the name of this little craft? This. Well, it is rather fitting, don't you think? What is your destiny here? Fascinating. Well, it is my destiny, my glorious purpose to rule, to be king. And do you know who always stood my way? My brother, the mighty, the worthy Thor.
Oh, I'm sorry, that was an inside thought. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Let me tell you a secret about this Earth's mightiest hero.
Is he single?
And I can trust you. He is not worthy of the throne. There, I said it. Now, shall I dispose of my brother? Yes.
Please don't.
Are you sure?
He's my favorite.
It's important for me to do it.
Please don't.
Goodbye, brother.
Loki. Bye.
It's cool every time.
And still, the throne of Asgard remains elusive to me. After everything I've done for them. But, now, if I may be so bold, you all seem in desperate need of a leader. Well, look no further. Declare your loyalty to me, and I will give you what you need as your benevolent ruler. Now, who do you declare your loyalty to? Oh, try again. I didn't hear everyone.
Loki! Once more!
Oh, I like it here. I shall make this place my new kingdom. Your king is here!
That is the true Legend of Loki!
Are you sure?
Zion, it's close enough!
Okay.
Midgardians, I'll be around to hear your declarations of loyalty. But I'd like to explore this leisure craft a bit first. See you around.
We gotta wrap this up. Well, thanks for gathering, folks. We have reached the end.
We hope our tale enlightened and amused you, friends.
Go, seek your destiny for now. We must go. We'll see you next time at our next